All right, let's get it, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. Today I'm working on a 2005 Dodge Stratus with a 2.4 liter engine in it, and I got my scan tool here, and the fault code we came up with was P0491. That's right, man. This is a California emission car, and it's equipped with an air injection system. All right, secondary air injection system. All right, so basically what I had to do was test and make sure my hoses was connected real good to my pump. I made sure the pump was working, so I eventually diagnosed it as a faulty actuator. So let's get this thing replaced. Now what you need to do is remove the core totally out of your way. It's a core sitting on top of the cylinder head. We got to get that out the way because that actuator is behind the core. It's held on by two 5/16 bolts. Simply remove those out of the way. Then you would be able to gain access to the actuator and simply bring it out of its shell. Be careful with the hose because you do not want to damage or kink or even break the hose. That can give you some problems, especially if you're going to reuse the hose. Alright, simply squeeze the tabs so we can get this thing removed from the hose without breaking it. If it's an old car, see, this is an 05, it could be brittle. You don't want it to break. Alright, simply pull the old actuator off, get your new one out of the box. Hopefully this is a new one. I had to add a little oil inside of it so the O-rings would contact slippery real good. Get that snapped on there, man. That was a wrap, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.